Warning, this is a severe weather alert.
Lil Drizzle and Homewrecka straight from Duval.
Watch a dog, what you gonna do? The giant tornado right after you. You bring your house down and even your mama, but you can't take real care if you really wanna. Get your family ready to live this sucker out. We like Santa bit, we don't wanna hear you pout. Find a nice brick house, cause that place be stellar, and your heart hide your body underneath the wooden cellar.
Stuck with my homies underneath this gray cellar. I can't see or hear nothing, it's like my name Helen Keller. But I got the supplies that could keep my bros living. And also, Merry Christmas, this the season for giving. And this to all our haters out there. It's a good one. You ever eaten a 20 before? Delicious.